So it's been about a month since we released our last update on our ZL1 1LE. Now, when we first bought this car, it was the cheapest one in the entire United States, and we knew it needed some work to bring it back to looking like it came off a showroom floor. Well, what I didn't know is that I would essentially have to replace the entire front bumper and both fenders in order to do that. So while we wait for those parts to be painted so we can go ahead and reinstall them on the car, we're going to start by detailing the interior. Now, you saw by the title of this video, we're going to be repairing our Alcantara steering wheel. Now, if you own a Camaro SS 1LE or a ZL1, you already know that this steering wheel can easily get matted down and it gets filled with all the grit and grime from your hands from using it every single day. Now, I'm not a person that likes to wear gloves, so having an option to easily clean the steering wheel is going to be the best solution. So let's go ahead and jump into the inside of the car. This process should only take about 5 minutes, and I promise the night and day difference between the before and after is something you're going to want to stick around and see. Now, what we're going to be using in order to restore our steering wheel is a product called Sonax. Now, I actually use this quite a bit in my SS 1LE and did a great job of keeping up with all of the grit and grime on my steering wheel and other upholstery in the car. So I know this stuff works, and based on my experience, I'm able to kind of show you guys, even with the worst case scenario, such as my steering wheel in front of me, that it's capable of really restoring your Alcantara and bring it back to life. So if you're interested in this, if you find this video helpful, I'll leave a link in the description down below for where you can pick up Sonax. I absolutely swear by this stuff. So the Sonax itself comes out sort of like a foam, so you have to find a way to apply it. Now, the best way to do it is a detailing brush like I have here, but you can also use a standard tool at home that everybody has, such as this tool brush, and it will do this same exact job. The reason for both of these is really just to kind of agitate the Alcantara itself and release all of that grit and grime that the Sonax is kind of helping to bring to the surface. So you can tell how matted down this steering wheel is. There's a ton of grit and grime that it basically looks like leather. So I'm really interested to see how much the Sonax can pull out of this. And we can look at a before and after of the entire steering wheel because that has not been touched in over 15,000 miles. The previous owner obviously was not worried about the interior quality in any sort of way. So let's go ahead and start applying the Sonax, and then I'll skip to a before and after. So we're going to start by actually applying the Sonax to the brush itself. What we want to do here is essentially work it into the Alcantara. We're going to let it sit for just a bit, allowing the product to go ahead and work in and bring all of those contaminants to the surface. I mean, just take a look at this microfiber cloth, and this is only half of the steering wheel. It's crazy how much this stuff works, and I can tell you by sitting here firsthand, it honestly feels like the Alcantara is right off the showroom floor. I am actually taken back by this because I've worked with this product on my SS 1LE, but my steering wheel wasn't nearly this bad. I mean, this is quite literally worst case scenario for a steering wheel, and this restored it just like new. So this is one of those things that I will include a link down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. I highly recommend it. Sitting here, I am really impressed because I thought I would have to basically get an entirely new steering wheel, but here we are, a restored ZL1 1LE Alcantara steering wheel. So if you guys did enjoy this video, if it helped at all, please leave a like and comment down below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. So until next time, keep modding, keep racing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.